This is American sailor's thread. American sailor's thread is invented and developed in the year 1864 in America. Who invented this thread or developed this thread independently? William Sailors. William Sailors. That's why it is named American sailor's thread. William Sailors independently developed and proposed another standard based upon 60-degree angle. Upon this angle is 60 degree. In BSW thread, BSP thread and BSF thread, this angle is 55 degree. Here is 60 degree. So 60 degree thread from the various thread pitch. Various thread pitch means as per BSW and BSF, it is also standard. Here also they have given a standard chart. This is standard maintained by Mr. Sailors and adopted in US standard and subsequently developed into the American standard coarse thread and fine thread. Coarse NC and fine series NF. As according to BSW, there is rough thread or coarse thread and BSF is fine thread. So here also one is rough thread or coarse thread, another is fine thread. Both charts are separate. This thread form had flat root. The quality of this thread form is crest also flat and root also flat, or it may sometimes in another thread in 60-degree angle roots may be round up, but crests are flat. Crests are flat. So that's why it is easier to manufacture. If the crests and roots are round up by single point cutting tool, it is not possible to produce that thread easily. If both the side, root and crest, are to be rounded up as per the calculation of the pitch, then we have to use thread chaser. We have to use thread chaser. And it is a costly affair for different types of thread to produce in lathe machine. For each and every pitch of BSW or BSF thread, we have to maintain separate thread chaser. So it becomes costly affairs. That's why this thread is developed, and at present, since 1956, all the technologies, everything were changed into inch to millimeter or measurement. In metric system, measurement at present, metric system is adopted widely throughout the world, because it is easy to manufacture, easy to handle, easy to find out. Things are easy. All the instruments are in millimeters or meters. In the same way, this thread, this is the first thread in metric system, 60-degree angle developed. Here, earlier I have given one chapter, how this depth is equal to 0.6496 into pitch. How this pitch, this 0.6496 into pitch, this depth is derived. depth is equal to 0.6496 into pitch, or you can say depth is equal to 0.6 instead of 9, here we will take 4, 5, so 6.5 into pitch for easy. Some of the American threads, millimeter threads, are having depth is equal to 0.61 pitch. So this is the first millimeter thread, metric thread, which developed by William Sellers independently and introduced in USA. So this chart is an international chart, and these BSW threads, metric threads, American Sellers threads, are represented by a capital letter M, English capital letter M. M 1 millimeter, or M into M1.6, this is the first minimum diameter, M 1.6. This is just like your Alpine, so small. In BSW you won't find this size. BSW only 0.1 inch, 1 to 5 inch, not less than that. But here you can cut threads on Alpine, that is below 1 millimeter dia, that also available. It is developed after this, because technology is always developing and it is creating new invention. So if the diameter is 1.6 millimeter, then pitch will be 0.35 millimeter. 0.35 millimeter is the pitch. Okay? In the same way, this is a rough thread up to 56, and fine thread is M 1 millimeter. Here 1.6 millimeter, here 1.0 millimeter. Means minimum 1 millimeter. Recently it is changed into M 0.5 millimeter also we can cut. We can cut the thread in 0.5 millimeter also. So this is the fine pitch and this is rough pitch. This is American Sellers thread, initially developed by William Sellers independently and introduced. Angle is 60 degree, depth of cut is 0.65 into pitch, and flat width of this flat, how much? 0.1 to 5 into pitch. Automatically the depth will be maintained. We have to grind the tool 60 degree angle, and then we will produce this thread. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it and like it. Thank you.